Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making homemade gummy bears with regular ingredients, including gelatin. So if you don't want to use gelatin, I can't help you with this recipe. Sorry, but this is how we make it using unflavored gelatin. So let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need a 1/4 cup or 50 grams of sugar, more or less to taste. 1 large or 3 small packets of or 27 grams of unflavored gelatin. A 1/4 cup or 70 grams of water or juice which can contribute to flavor. A 1/2 teaspoon powdered citric acid, which adds a sour note if desired. A 1/3 cup or 85 grams of corn syrup or glucose, which will help with the texture. 2 teaspoons artificial flavoring if you prefer. I'm using strawberry today, and food coloring if you want. You don't need much. Begin by adding sugar and gelatin to the water. Mix it together and allow it to sit for 5 minutes to allow the gelatin to bloom. Stir the gelatin mix a bit. The mixture will be thick. Microwave it on 10-second bursts until gelatin melts to a liquid. Add the rest of the ingredients. You can use any juice, any flavoring, and any color you want. Just please don't skip out on the glucose. You really need it to help the gummies set up. Now, allow the mixture to sit for 10 minutes. This may seem strange, but we're allowing the foam to rise to the top. Then spoon the foam off the top. It's not pretty. I used this mixture on my daughter's baptism cake, but I had some left over. I used a silicone chocolate mold to make the rest. I sprayed it with baking spray, which, in looking back, I'd actually suggest you spread around and remove the excess because it eventually caused some pitting on my gummies. I also made a second batch and colored them red. But just spoon the mixture into the mold and allow them to set for 3 or 4 hours at room temperature. I understand they set up faster in the fridge. But pull the mold apart and allow the gummies to fall out of the mold. Then put them on a tray and allow them to dry at room temperature, turning every 12 hours or so for a total of 3 days. If you have trouble removing them from the mold, you should be able to push the mold to turn it inside out, then pull gently to remove them. These gummies turned out perfect. The only thing I would do differently is wipe the baking spray around to avoid the pitting. Otherwise, they look and taste great. My kids were excited. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.